both share the same blood, yeah. We both share the same mind. And time is up. I forgot how that one part goes. Ooh, I'm not waking up tomorrow and finding that you're not there. Honey, there's no way. No, 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 no way. I'm living without you. I'm not living without you. I don't wanna be free. I'm staying. And you, and you, and you're gonna love me.
Oh, I do know that song.
Oh. Da-na-na. You're gonna love me, love me, love me, love me.
And the crowd goes wild. I do know that song. It was in Dreamgirls, wasn't it?
I don't know.
Oh my God, you never watched that movie before? Oh, it's a jump!
No.
Oh my God, you need to watch that movie.
But
I'm pretty sure that Jennifer Lopez. Wait, no. Was it No.
Jennifer Hudson?
Yeah, there you go.
It's not called Dreamgirls.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
I know what movie you're talking about, but it's not Dreamgirls.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
No, what's it called?
I don't know, but it's not that.
Why wouldn't it be called Dreamgirls? I remember that. I love that movie.
Yeah, you love that movie so much that you forgot the title?
Oh, please.
Let's see. Okay.
It's Dreamgirls.
It's not Dreamgirls.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. Whatever. It's not.
It's Dreamgirls.
Okay. We'll see.
Look it up.
I'm looking it up.
But that was very, very nice. I've always
Yeah.
wanted to learn that song. Also, with Listen, I
don't know
love
that
that.
song. I've never really heard it. Jennifer Hudson.
Listen to the song here in my heart, a melody I start but can't complete. You've never heard that before?
Nope.
Ah!
Yep, it's not called Dreamgirls. See?
It is called Dreamgirls. It's called Dreamgirls. You damn liar.
It's called Sparkle. I love that movie.
I do love that movie.
Jennifer Hudson and Jordan Sparks can both sing.
Mm-hmm.
Damn. Yeah, you just want to be like